Hi, boys and girls. I hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to write about our favorite toy, our favorite person, or our favorite sport. We will write complete sentences about our favorite toy, person, or sport. This is important so that we can become better writers. Now, remember yesterday I asked parents to not help with this assignment. This is an assessment, so do not assist your student. Don't write or dot lines for letters. They must be completely independent. Even if the words are spelled wrong, that is perfectly fine. It just needs to be an independent writing activity. Now, remember yesterday we drew a picture of our favorite person, sport, or toy. You can look at your picture of your favorite person or your favorite sport or your favorite toy when you write your sentences about them or it. You're going to write about your topic on the next page. Explain why it is your favorite and what it reminds you of. Remember when you're writing your sentences that you have to have a capital letter at the beginning, a naming part, your subject, a telling part, your predicate. Does it make sense? We can't say one hats. No, we must use the correct plural or singular noun, and we need to make sure there is a period or another type of punctuation at the end of our sentences. Here are some words that you can use to help you. This is about your favorite toy. If you wrote about your favorite toy, here are some words that you can use to help you write your sentences. If you're writing about your favorite person, here are some words to help you write your sentences. If you're writing about your favorite sport, here are some words to help you write about your sentences. Okay, so now you're going to look at your picture that you drew yesterday, and you're going to write at least 2 sentences about your favorite person or your favorite sport or your favorite toy. Make sure you've used capital letters and periods, and make sure you read it and make sure it makes sense. And then you're going to take a picture and turn it into your Google Classroom. It is okay if the words are not spelled correctly. Do your very best. Write the sounds that you hear. Just make a guess at how it's spelled. We want to know what you already know. And no help from your parents or brothers or sisters or grandmas or grandpas, okay? This is just, I want this to just be something you do all by yourself, okay? Just this one time. Make sure you have your name on your, well, I guess if you're turning into your Google Classroom, you won't have to have your name on it. But you're going to use your best handwriting and finger spaces between your words. Your capitals, don't forget your capitals, and your punctuation. Look at that period at the end of the sentence. Okay, so these are the things that you need to remember when you're writing your sentences. I need you to write at least 2 sentences. Now, let's see if your sentences can be better than mine. All right, let me pull up my sentences. Ta-da! Remember my picture of my mom I drew yesterday? She's back. Here she is. Now I'm going to write 2 sentences about my mom. At least 2. You are very, very welcome to write more than 2 sentences. What does my sentence need to begin with? Oh yeah, that's right. A capital letter. So, my favorite person. Okay, does that sentence make sense? I've got a capital letter. My favorite person. I've got a subject. Does it tell what my favorite is or does? My favorite person? No. I've got to add my predicate. My favorite person is my mom. Okay? Now I need to write another sentence about my mom. let's see. I didn't add this to my picture, but I do want to add it to my story that my mom loves to sew. Okay. Then I want to say, oh, she has 4 cats. She's my favorite. Okay, if you run out of room, you're going to go down to the next line or on the next page. Okay? She's my favorite person because she loves me. Now, since I'm kind of excited about my mom loving me, I'm going to end my sentence with an exclamation point. That shows a strong feeling. Love is a strong feeling. But look here, I added a period at the end of this sentence. My mom loves to sew. Period. Not here. It goes at the end of that sentence. Here's another sentence. She has 4 cats. Period. Okay? Oh, look, here's another one. My favorite person is my mom. Period. Okay, so every time you end a sentence, it doesn't have to be at the end of the line, because this is not the end of my sentence right here. My favorite person is, that's not the end of my sentence. At the end of each sentence, put the correct ending mark, a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. Make sure you have capital letters at the beginning of each sentence. Make sure you have finger spaces between your words. And let's just review what we talked about today. We used our picture from yesterday, our brainstorming picture. And we wrote at least 2 sentences by ourselves about our favorite person, our favorite toy, or our favorite sport. We made sure we used capital letters. We made sure we had periods, finger spaces, neat handwriting, and we made sure we had at least 2 sentences. Okay, so now you are ready to take a picture of your story you're writing about your favorite person, and then you're going to turn it into your Google Classroom. I can't wait to read your stories. Bye.